This is a project that we started 5 years ago, where we came here and identified a need of expanding the laboratory, because they have one, or they had one, let me say, which is quite squeezed, with 2 laboratory technicians working in shifts, so to speak. And we took the project to expand it, given that at the moment, at that time, 5 years ago, they were handling about 5,000 samples every month. And we sought for partners, friends of Rotary, and this being one of the focus areas of Rotary, which is disease prevention and treatment, we fundraised for it. And the money that we got, we first of all took upon ourselves to buy a container, because we had a work plan of fabricating a container to make a lab. So what we've given them today is an expanded working area, a store, and a waiting bay for the patients who come and need the services, the laboratory services. As at 5 years ago, the data that we had was handling 5,000 samples. So we believe by now it's maybe 20% above that. And in terms of cost and how much we've used as a Rotary Club together with our partners, as of now I can say we are at about 1.2 million. And counting, because we will still need to do tiling on the waiting bay here, and we are still trusting that we shall get partners who will come with us to try and make it better.
As you know, Kendutu is a slum area. We, the Django Foundation, we have partnered today with Rotary International to address the health needs of this area. Our partnership today has brought a laboratory which is here under container. We as Django Foundation were able to arrange the placement of this container, which is going to act as a laboratory. We are very grateful for such initiatives. As we are aware, Kendutu is a slum area with very high population. Our partnership as Django Foundation, we want to enlarge it so that the people of Kendutu can get good services.
Initially, we used to have a problem with our laboratory. Our laboratory was very congested, and we normally receive around 400 to 500 clients per day. So, and it does a lot of clients get to the laboratory. It was very congested. We were not able to get the services. But now this is more spacious to be able to do more laboratory tests, and the doctor will be able to perform the tests very safely. So we are very much thankful for the project. We are currently offering all the services for level 3. That's the treatment and also the maternity services. But we would like it to expand more, to have an ideal maternity, to be able to provide more clients, to be able to receive more services, more clients here, and also many clients will be able to come here for the other services which they may require. Because currently we normally refer any complicated case to